So one of the exercises to do for these vocal folds is to literally just get a straw. This is a really good system. I could talk more about another time, but it's called, this acts like your mouth, and it's called the voice straw. And it comes from Brisbane, actually. The lady invented it from Brisbane, although it's very scientifically proven. There's a lot of research on this, and it's a straw, different size straws. A very thin one would be different to a thicker one. And this acts like your mouth, and this acts like your actual windpipe, right? So it's like, my whole warm-ups, my songs, everything was done in here, and it actually helped my voice. So for now, even if you have a straw, you could have it by your desk, and you would make this sound and with a W and an oo, and you would go really stretching the vocal folds out and back in, out and back in. So it's like getting mobility on my arm, making sure I can use my whole arm rotation. So no, don't get RSI and it's just stuck like this, like I'm talking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 all the time. But I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. So a simple straw and blowing in it.